Welcome to Module 19, AWS Technical Resources and Support Options. In this module, we will cover the following subjects. Resources and documentation available on official AWS websites such as AWS Prescriptive Guidance, AWS Knowledge Center, AWS Repost. AWS support options and plans, for instance, customer service and communities, AWS Developer Support, AWS Business Support, AWS Enterprise On-Ramp Support, AWS Enterprise Support. Role of the AWS Partner Network, including independent software vendors and system integrators. AWS Support Center. Let's get started. AWS offers a comprehensive range of resources and documentation available on official AWS websites, encompassing a wealth of materials such as white papers, blogs, technical resources like AWS Prescriptive Guidance, AWS Knowledge Center, and AWS Repost. AWS documentation serves as your go-to hub for finding user guides, code samples, SDKs and toolkits, tutorials, API and CLI references, and much more. It's the foundational resource for understanding and implementing AWS services effectively. AWS white papers are in-depth documents published by AWS, offering valuable insights, guidance, and best practices on a wide range of topics related to cloud computing, AWS services, architectures, security, compliance, and more. These documents are tailored to help individuals, businesses, and organizations deepen their understanding of AWS services. AWS blogs are a treasure trove of knowledge, consisting of written articles, tutorials, case studies, and announcements. These blogs cover various aspects of cloud computing, AWS services, best practices, and technical topics. Created and maintained by AWS employees, experts, and community members, AWS blogs keep you informed and up to date. AWS Prescriptive Guidance provides resources from AWS technology experts and AWS partners to accelerate cloud adoption, modernization, and optimization projects. These time-tested strategies, guides, and patterns are designed to help you realize your business objectives on AWS. AWS Repost is your gateway to a vibrant community that supports and helps you become even more successful on AWS. It includes AWS Official Knowledge Center articles and videos covering the most frequent questions and requests received from AWS customers. AWS provides multiple support plans tailored to your needs. Let's take a closer look at each plan. Basic support. It provides 24/7 access to customer service, documentation, white papers, support forums, limited AWS Trusted Advisor and AWS Personal Health Dashboard. Developer support includes basic support, and on top of that, email support. Business support includes developer support, and in addition to that, full AWS Trusted Advisor suite, infrastructure event management, and direct phone support. Enterprise On-Ramp support includes business support, and access to a pool of technical account managers or TAMs, and direct phone support with faster response time. Enterprise support includes Enterprise On-Ramp support, and also designated technical account managers that help you to access to proactive reviews, workshops, and deep dives. Basic support is included for all AWS customers and encompasses 24/7 access to customer services, documentation, white papers, AWS Repost, core checks on AWS Trusted Advisor and AWS Personal Health Dashboard. This slide illustrates a comparison of AWS support plans, ranging from developer to business, enterprise on-ramp, and enterprise. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you wish to review the details more closely. This slide presents a comparison of AWS support pricing. Feel free to pause the video to carefully review the details. AWS Trusted Advisor provides recommendations based on AWS best practices. It evaluates your account using checks to identify opportunities for optimizing your AWS infrastructure, enhancing security, improving performance, reducing costs, and monitoring service quotas. Let's highlight some key benefits of AWS Trusted Advisor. Cost optimization analyzes usage, configuration, and spend to identify opportunities such as idle RDS-DB instances, unassociated elastic IP addresses, underutilized EBS volumes, and excessive timeouts and Lambda functions. Performance improvement provides recommendations by analyzing usage and configuration, including EBS throughput and latency, compute usage of EC2 instances, and configurations on CloudFront. Security enhancement suggests foundational security best practices curated by security experts. Examples include identifying RDS security group access risks, exposed access keys, and unnecessary S3 bucket permissions. Fault tolerance improves the reliability of your services by examining aspects like auto-scaling EC2 groups, deleted health checks on Route 53, disabled availability zones, and disabled RDS backups. Service quotas notification. Trusted Advisor notifies you once you reach more than 80% of a service quota, helping you stay informed and proactive. The AWS Health Dashboard serves as a central hub for AWS service status, offering both general and personalized views. It provides in-depth insights into resource issues, changes, and notifications, ensuring you stay informed about the health of your AWS environment. Let's highlight some key benefits of the AWS Health Dashboard. Personalized view of service health. Sign in to the AWS Health Dashboard for a personalized view of AWS service status affecting your applications. Easily identify and troubleshoot operational issues, such as a lost EBS volume for an EC2 instance. Proactive notifications. Configure AWS Health Aware to receive alerts not only via email but also in your preferred communication channels like Slack. For example, get notified about upcoming EC2 maintenance events directly in your preferred channel. Detailed troubleshooting guidance. Health events provide actionable guidance for resource-related issues. If, for instance, an EBS volume encounters a hardware problem, the alert contains affected resources, recommendations, and restore links, minimizing issue resolution time. Integration automation. Utilize Amazon Event Bridge for custom rules and automated actions with AWS Lambda functions for specific events. Integrate health data and notifications into your IT tools using the AWS Health API, included in AWS Business Support or AWS Enterprise Support plans. Fine-grained access control with IAM. The AWS Health Dashboard supports access control, allowing you to set up permissions based on event metadata. This enables you to grant or deny access to IAM users based on attributes such as event types, specific services, or other role-based attributes, ensuring sensitive events are only accessible to those who need to see them. Aggregate health events across AWS organizations. View and manage AWS health events across your organization on the AWS Health Dashboard from a delegated account other than the management account in AWS organizations. If you suspect abuse of AWS resources, you can report it through the Report Amazon AWS Abuse form or by sending an email to abuse@amazonoz.com. The AWS Trust and Safety team can assist you when AWS resources are implicated in the following abuse types. Web content or non-copyright intellectual property. This includes objectionable content hosted on an AWS resource, such as web pages, images, videos, or other internet content. Provide the URL of the content and a brief comment indicating why you believe the content to be abusive. If it's a video, also provide the timestamp where objectionable content can be located. Email abuse encompasses abusive email sent from an AWS resource or spam content hosted on or sent from an AWS resource. Provide the full email header and HTML body for investigation. Network activity covers network activity originating from an AWS resource causing problematic network traffic. This could be an intrusion attempt, denial of service, DOS, attack, port scanning, or any other abusive network activity. Provide network logs showing the activity, and details like source or target IP addresses, ports, and timestamps. Copyright issues pertains to content removal requests under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. AWS offers various paths for AWS partners to choose. AWS Partner Path streamline engagement, offering tailored resources, benefits, and programs to boost businesses across various domains. AWS Partner Paths are designed to be a game changer, simplifying the partner engagement model. Whether you are involved in software, hardware, services, training, or distribution, there's a dedicated path to cater to your unique business needs. Software Path. Tailored for partners developing software running on or integrated with AWS. Offers specialized resources and benefits to support software development partners. Hardware Path. Designed for partners developing hardware devices working seamlessly with AWS. Provides dedicated resources and benefits for hardware development partnerships. Service Path. Tailored for partners delivering consulting, professional, managed, and value-added resale services. Equips service-oriented partners with specific resources and benefits to enhance service-related engagements. Training Path. Specifically designed for partners engaged in selling, delivering, or incorporating AWS training. Offers resources and benefits tailored to support training-focused partnerships. Distribution Path. Geared towards partners involved in recruiting, onboarding, and supporting other partners to resell and develop AWS solutions. Provides specialized resources and benefits for partners in distribution-focused engagements. AWS Partner Paths represent a shift from the previous AWS technology and consulting partner-type models. The transition involves evolving from partner-type to a customer offering-type model. Independent software vendor, ISV, partners, a subset of technology partners, now transition to software partners. ISVs develop and sell their software applications on AWS Marketplace or as SaaS solutions on AWS, often targeting specific industries or use cases. System integrators, SIs, often larger consulting partners with deep AWS expertise, now transition to services partners. SIs help enterprises plan, design, implement, and manage complex AWS solutions, often specializing in various industries or domains. AWS provides numerous benefits to AWS partners as part of the AWS Partner Program. Whether you're focusing on training, marketing, technical enablement, sales, financial benefits, resource access, specialized programs, events, or solution validation, AWS has a wealth of offerings to support your success. Let's dive into the key benefits. AWS provides extensive training and certification resources for partners. Access to AWS partner training and certification resources. Enjoy discounts on AWS certification exams for partner employees, making it easier to become AWS certified. Partners benefit from robust marketing support. Co-marketing opportunities, including joint campaigns and promotional activities. Logo usage rights and access to AWS Marketplace for solution listings, enhancing visibility. Partners receive comprehensive technical support and guidance. Access to AWS Solutions Architects for technical support. Utilize the AWS well-architected framework, technical workshops, training webinars, and enablement content. Partners gain valuable sales and go-to-market support. Access to AWS Partner Development Managers for business and technical guidance. Support in developing go-to-market strategies, joint customer engagement, and sales opportunities. Partners enjoy financial incentives. Partner funding for market development funds, MDF, or co-op fund. Potential volume discounts on AWS services for partners. Partners have access to a wealth of resources. AWS Partner Central Portal with training, assets, and technical content. Priority AWS support and specialized programs tailored to different industries. Specialized programs cater to specific partner needs. Programs for startups, including AWS Activate, offering credits, technical support, and resources. Partners benefit from networking opportunities. Attend AWS Partner Summits, conferences, and events for networking with other partners and AWS experts. Gain access to the AWS Global Partner Summit for industry insights. Partners can validate their solutions. Participate in AWS solution validation programs for certification. Feature in the AWS Partner Solution Finder, showcasing validated solutions. AWS Marketplace is an extensive hub for finding third-party software and services that seamlessly run on AWS. AWS Marketplace boasts thousands of software listings, offering a simplified approach to software licensing and procurement. With flexible pricing options and multiple deployment methods, it serves as a centralized location for meeting diverse software needs. Let's explore the features and advantages that make AWS Marketplace a go-to resource for managing software centrally. Why use AWS Marketplace? Quick deployment. Launch pre-configured software with just a few clicks. Choose software solutions in a format that suits your requirements. Unified billing. All pricing options are billed from one source. AWS handles billing and payments, and charges appear seamlessly on your AWS bill. Some of the AWS Marketplace key benefits are: streamlining procurement. Private offers and consulting partner private offers enable you to receive custom software pricing in terms not publicly available. Customize terms, negotiate volume pricing, and explore flexible payment options with your preferred ISV or consulting partner. Flexible pricing and terms. Access various pricing options that give you the flexibility to test software, pay as you go, negotiate custom terms, and save with long-term commitments. Utilize pricing flexibility and cost transparency for effective software budget management. Control and governance. Centralize governance to innovate quickly and launch software aligned with policies and compliance requirements. Managed entitlements enable customers to distribute, activate, and track software license entitlements acquired in AWS Marketplace through AWS License Manager. AWS offers AWS Professional Services to help you achieve your desired business outcomes with AWS. AWS Professional Services is your dedicated global team of experts, committed to ensuring your success in the AWS cloud. As your strategic partner, they collaborate closely with you and your chosen AWS Partner Network member, providing tailored solutions and guidance across a multitude of industries and technologies. Let's explore how this global expert team can be your strategic partner in executing successful cloud initiatives. AWS Professional Services utilizes a unique methodology based on Amazon's internal best practices. The goal is to help you complete projects faster and more reliably, considering evolving expectations and dynamic team structures. AWS Professional Services focuses on helping you achieve specific outcomes related to enterprise cloud adoption. Each offering encompasses a set of activities, best practices, and documentation derived from extensive experience supporting numerous customers in their AWS cloud journey. AWS Professional Services collaborate seamlessly with your chosen APN member. This collaboration ensures a comprehensive and well-rounded approach to executing your cloud initiatives. Congratulations! You have completed Module 19, AWS Technical Resources and Support Options.